So we're going to solve this problem where we determine the horizontal and vertical components of reaction in the member at point A and the normal reaction at the roller B. So here is our given. So we have point A and point B. So in point A, we have 3 feet towards the 750 of force. And then from this force, we have 3 feet towards the and 2 feet length towards point B. Where in point B, there is an angle of 30 degrees. So here is our free body diagram. The unknowns are AX, AY, and then BY. So to solve this, first is we're going to get the summation of moment along A. So we have equals to 0. So we have BY cosine 30 times 6 feet minus BY sine 30 times 2 feet and minus 750 pounds times 3 feet is equals to 0. So our BY now will be 536.2 pounds. So after getting the BY, next is we're going to get the summation of forces along x-axis equals to 0. So we have AX minus 536.2 sine 30 is equals to 0. So our AX now will be 268 pounds. And then to get the summation of forces along y-axis is equals to 0, we'll use AY plus 536.2 cosine 30 minus 750 pounds is equals to 0. So our AY now will be 286 pounds. So, do you have any questions?
Yes, where did you get the BY cosine 30 and BY sin 30?
Good question. So, we get the BY cosine 30 and BY sin 30 from in this point B. Since point B has an angle of 30 degrees, so we're going to get the x and y axis. So, to get x axis, we're going to use the f cosine theta. And then for the y-axis, we're going to get the f sine theta. So, since we don't have a force, so we're just going to assume that it's By. So, we have By cosine, then the angle or theta, which is 30. And then we multiply it to the distance. So, our distance is 6 feet from point A to point B. So, times 6. And then, since it's a axis, in this here, so we'll get the force By sine and then angle 30 times 2 feet, which is the length from point A to point B since it's y axis. So that's how we get